Okay, so the 3 bolts, I just put a little bit of 574 where the O-ring is. Pop that through. .574 the other end. Pull it back slightly and turn it so you don't damage the O-ring. Then put the new O-ring on. Be careful the thread doesn't cut it or strip it. Touch more 574 around there. A little bit on the back of the, it's like a cup washer. So pop that on. Touch of oil on the thread, and then hopefully what will happen is that the nut will turn but the washer will stay still. Remembering only turn one side, keep this side all the time. Stop, don't let it move. Just turn the nut. I'll just turn it by fingers until it's. So once again, take your bolt, your 3 bolt, just in case anything happens, just a bit of that on there, put a 574 on there, put that in position, pull the bolt back slightly, 574 on there, O-ring. Now where these bolts go through, there is holes for the oil to go to the shells. So if that's pushing pressure to the shells, then obviously it could push it out of these holes around the thread. So oil again on there. And just do that finger tight. So once again, there's your bolt with your O-ring already on it. Little O-ring again, pop it on. Carefully push it down. just basically just keep repeating that procedure. So yeah, basically anything that's got a hole that could leak, it will leak. These have a tendency for oil leaks, so if you can think of more or less anything you can just to ensure you don't get leaks, then with the exception of like smothering things with silicone, they don't really recommend that because it can get in the oil veins, block small jets up that are going to cause you problems. Okay, so that's all of those in now. So it's just a question of torquing it down. So we'll move on to torquing it down.